What is up, everyone? HVAC Repair Guy here. Today we're doing a heavyweight showdown in the ducted split world. We've got a head-to-head battle between two serious contenders in the premium tier. The ACiQ H4A7T and the Lennox ML17KC2. Both of these units are direct competitors built for homeowners who want more than just basic cooling but don't want to sell a kidney for an ultimate inverter system. Let's see which one actually earns its spot on your concrete pad. First up, let's talk about what's protecting your investment. When we look at the Lennox ML17KC2, it's got that classic louvered coil cabinet we like to see. That means your delicate aluminum fins are shielded from hail, stray baseballs, and weed whackers. Now, look at the ACiQ H4A7T. Here's a technical truth. This model does not have a louvered coil cabinet. It's an open coil design. Why does that matter? Because exposed coils are magnets for damage. Once those fins get flattened, your head pressures go up, your efficiency dies, and your compressor starts working way harder than it should. In a ducted split system, that cabinet is your first line of defense. On the performance side, these two are almost identical twins. Both the ACiQ and the Lennox are pushing a 17.0 SEER rating. They both utilize 2-speed compressors and 2-speed fans to help with dehumidification and efficiency during those milder days. But let's talk about your ears. The Lennox ML17KC2 clocks in at 71 decibels. The ACiQ H4A7T is slightly quieter at 70 decibels. Honestly, a 1 dB difference is something only a dog might notice, but both of these are significantly quieter than the 73-76 dB trash cans you find in the entry-level tier. Before we get to the warranty battle, have you ever had a coil get thrashed by a hailstorm or a gardener? Drop a comment below and let me know if you prefer a louvered cabinet or if you think the open coil look is easier to clean. Alright, here's where the repairman's perspective really matters. We look at 3 levels: unit replacement, compressor, and parts. Lennox gives you a solid 10 years on the compressor and 10 years on parts, but they offer 0 unit replacement guarantee on this model. ACiQ, however, brings a bazooka to a knife fight. Not only do they match the 10-year parts and compressor coverage, but they include a full 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in year 9, they don't just swap the part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. That is a massive safety net for a homeowner. So, who wins the premium battle? If we were just looking at the cabinet, Lennox wins for better physical protection. But as a repair guy, I'm looking at the long-term risk. Even though the ACiQ H4A7T has an exposed coil, that 10-year unit replacement warranty is the ultimate no-hassle guarantee that Lennox just isn't matching here. The winner for the best bang for your buck in the premium class is the ACiQ H4A7T. Just make sure you don't park it next to the driveway where your kids play hockey. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.